helpful video today. I'm going to show you how to remove a 04 to 08 F-150 dash vent. No special tools, super easy. All you need is believe it or not, a 1/2 inch wrench. First, what you got to do is, first off, never pry on the chrome or the outer trim, because it'll just break off and then it'll be no good. So what you got to do is open your vent, turn it. So what that does is it puts the clips on the bottom to make them able to release. Take your wrench, the curved part down, put it in at the bottom. Oh, just like that. Okay, so when you pull out on it, it's going to release some clips right there. And it's pretty much just pops right out from releasing. When you put the wrench down over, it goes over that little clip, pulls it up, and then boom, just pops it right out. To put it in, super easy. Just push it in, right like this. Boom. There's that. I sell these clips in my store. I'll put a link to my store. I'll put a link to the parts. They have black. They have black and chrome. They have silver and chrome. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. Thank you, Darren at Bentley's Auto Parts.